how be not dependent from any circumstance. For example, in Cirque du Soleil we have 10 shows per week, and how to be always good, how to be always in funny, especially state, which later I call invisible clown. So state, it's like you take drugs but without drugs, like all even small alcohol but without alcohol. So it's amazing state. Next things, it's separate yourself from yourself. And what do you think? Who is clown inside us? For whom belong clown inside us? Do you know we have in Russian explanation that it's not possible to study to be clown. It's need to be born clowns. And I believe that everybody in the earth born like clowns. But after when we are 10, probably 10, we start to get many cliché, many patterns.
I didn't get this last concept.
You didn't get?
No, I didn't get this last concept. I mean, what does it mean? I mean, you don't have to study how to be a clown, but you have to do what?
You have to be born clown.
Okay.
Do you understand? We have in Russian this explanation that it's not possible to be clown. You have to be destined to be clown. Destiny, or to be born like clown.
Okay, makes sense. I got it.
And I understand that we all born, because when you see children, they look like clown. I just ask myself if Misha Usov clown or not. So I take my name. I take my name and you take your name. If your name is clown or not. In one moment I understand that my name it's not clown, because I was not born with this name. It's my mother or my father gave this name for me. So I was born with this color of eyes. I was born with this hair, with this constitution of body. This is a clown. And all knowledge, what I have from school, from in other people, from parents, what is good, what is bad, these things, it belongs to my name. So let's see, it's Misha Usov. What I study is Misha Usov. What I was born, it's my clown. And then when I try to do this one, I tell myself that Misha Usov have not performed. Misha Usov have to go to the audience. I will now show you this concept. It's here. So you see? So I ask myself before every show to put Mikhail Usov, Misha Usov to the audience and not take him to the stage. Why? It's very simple to understand, because Misha Usov, he know how it should be. He always know. He always thinking about technician. If technician give you not in right time light, he will be, he have to give light, or audience will not laughing enough like yesterday. He will say, what audience yesterday was much, much better. No, much better. Today, very bad audience, he will say you. Misha Usov. So when you say this like these things, your timing will disappear, because to understand this voice to come, you need 10 seconds. After it, you need to recognize it, that it's voice, and you need to put out it's again 10 seconds. And then you put back this voice, it's again 10 seconds. So 30 seconds. When you have act in 7 minutes, it's a lot. It's big time. It's like infinity time, and you go not like this when you're in the stage, not you walking not like this, you go like this. It's like if you're pilot, it's just put to airplane for 30 seconds like this. So that's why for me and for you, I hope it's very important to put all these thoughts, all these things, how it should be, or how it was yesterday to the audience. All this knowledge about you clown. Or Misha will tell you that, oh, you are not funny today. Thoughts come and you disappear, And when you listen these things, will be performed not you, but Misha Usov. Your name will perform, not clown. Why I know these things? Because I'm clown juggler. I juggling with ping pong ball and pause, you see? And sometimes I hear this voice, and voice say, now you will lose your ball. And I'm really lose this ball, always when I listen this voice. really, always. But now I know already it, and I said, go come back to the audience. And this voice or these things, this Misha Usov go to the audience and done because I'm boss here, not you, not you voice. I'm here. Nobody know how we have this million thoughts, how they come to us. But when you perform, these thoughts destroy your character, destroy what you do, destroy spirit what you do. So, but it's not only these things. When you keep Misha Usov in the audience, it's come next moment because Misha Usov is very clean. No, not Misha Usov, clown. It's very clean substantial. And when he is in the stage, really a real clown in the stage, Misha Usov in audience. In this moment, come invisible clown. You see? So clown just fishing fish. Misha Usov, critic, analyze, sitting in the audience, take out him. And in this moment comes state of invisible clown. Because Misha Usov live always in future or in past. He would like success for future. He working for future. In future I will get money. In future I will have success. Or for yesterday. Yesterday was success. And today I have not success. And invisible clown, it's always now. And always moment. And always fresh. That's why it's like fresh flowers. It's always here. And the way how to get him is just clown. We will see what is this clown character in while, and we will see today, a little bit later, what is this invisible clown. You can see in different art where he is. If you have some question, please. Now, for so far, do you understand what I say?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes, yes, Sarah.
Sarah.
It's very interesting about the voice in your head that ruins the moment. I had as well, I used to do an act where I balance a bottle and glasses. And the first time I did it as well was the voice said, it will fall. And it fall.
Yes.
Next time, it will fall. And it fall. And then I said, okay. So when the voice would come, I would say, no, fuck, go. And so, and then every time, like, it's amazing. It's, you don't think, you say no goodbye. And it's amazing when you start feeling it. It's, you realize, but also in life, this happens many times.
Absolutely.
I feel like
yes.
that, and it's being present at the end.
Be present, yes. Be present.
Be present.
Is an important word for our work. You have to be total present on the stage. Total. You know, you have to be very here, very here. And this only one recept how it will be not boring when you have 10 shows per week. If come invisible clown, it's not possible to be boring because invisible clown, it's not 10 shows per week. It's only one show. It's only now. Always now. It's the same show. It's now. It's one show. You know, it's not tomorrow show. Tomorrow, it's never 10 shows for him. It's always now. It's the same day, the same night, and the same now.
I'm glad to know that after 50 years of career, you still have to focus to keep yourself, away during a show. While you talk about people performing like this number of shows per week and per year, you generally say, okay, he's just go for it, like automatically go for it. His brain is set for it. But I'm glad that you're not confirmed this theory, like,
because you know what I tell you, for me, if I will do like machina, like mechanisms, like routine, people will not laughing in my case, because I'm not very good acrobat, I'm not pantomime, I have not technique, I have nothing, I have only my invisible clown. And that's why they're laughing, because I'm the same like them. I'm not pretend to be funny.